So it's a great day for the Texas A&M University System, and it's an even better day for our students who will learn, build, and will discover inside this facility. This STEM Education Research Center is more than just a new building. It's a place where learning moves beyond lectures and becomes experience for our students.
This building represents kind of the spirit of Texas in itself. This is something that's not just good for Brazos Valley and the state of Texas, but the world.
To the students and faculty, this building is your proving ground. Use it to build the Texas of tomorrow.
Every student who walks into this building will have access to opportunities that once existed only in a handful of places across this nation. And now we have one right here at Texas A&M University at RELLIS.